We're here in the middle of a blizzard. So the storm rolled in today, and we're skiing anyway. So yay! Blinding footage. No, you should let it run.
Did it stop?
No.
Just letting it run?
Let's stop. So now we're just sitting here in the cold and wind. That's nice.
Oh, we're moving.
Oh, we're back on the building. Visibility is super. Wind is very high. At least you don't really hear that much scraping of the skis because you got a lot of powder. Okay, I can't see. I really cannot see. Yeah. The terrain's a bit funky. I also can't hear anything over the wind. Not even sure if you can hear the commentary. Like, you can see here, it snows good above, but if I dig underneath a little bit, ice. You can see, I don't know if you can scrape it away. April. But it's got like ice underneath, kind of freeze. Yeah. visibility is even worse. That's nice. There's powder, but I can't see anything. It's all being the same color of light. Okay, so if any of you were wondering, the reason that there's like nobody here is a combination of three things. So one, for those of you skiers who actually know what I'm talking about, it's late season, and so the snow is a lot worse, and there's a lot less of it. So it's actually it's rare that we actually have a storm this late, because it's in April right now. And so that's the first thing, is it's late season. The second thing is that it's a Monday, so like nobody's out because everybody's already left because it's the end of the weekend. And so the last thing is that, well, it's a blizzard, and most people don't want to go out in a blizzard, but we don't care. So yeah. What year is it? Yeah, the wind's picking up, and it's just overall getting worse in conditions. Last or second to last. Pretty sure you can hear that wind. Alright, here's what we're gonna do next. It's like red tail or red hawk or something. No idea what it's called. It's not that bad. Let's go?
Yeah, go for it.
Okay. Woo! Okay, it's a bit icy, but that's okay. So it's, yeah. It's a tiny bit, it's not much. But then it evens out. Look at all that powder though. Yeah. That's all just fresh snow. Where are we going next?
Just follow this all the way down.
Okay.
Just turn right.
So if you watch the video, the adventure, consider sharing it, subscribing, also click it. If you like it, watch some of our other IRL videos. Or if you like the gaming content, then you can watch that too. Probably positive enough, but yeah. Go watch the Hunger Games. Episode 1 and the trailer. They're both out. Go watch. Yeah, that'll be nice. Yep. And, the rest will be a montage. Oh, yeah? Alright, hey guys, thank you for watching if you watched till the end. And go watch some of our other videos if you like this content. If you like the in-person videos, the Chunger Games is out, as well as we also have some other in-person videos you may like. Alright, now, say goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.
See ya.